We live in a changing world, and farming is changing with it. Our growing population and a greater environmental awareness means farmers need to produce more food, more sustainably, from the same amount of land. It's ultimately technology that will make the difference, and CNH Industrial is at the forefront of this change. We set out to take technology in a different direction that will allow farmers to integrate new technology into existing fleets and give them access to real-time data wherever they are. We believe this technology will, in the future, change the face of farming for the benefit of all. This autonomous tractor concept, conceived by CNH Industrial's innovation team, is truly independent and driverless. It is controlled and monitored remotely, freeing up skilled labor which can be redeployed. It offers the possibility of true 24-hour working, eliminating operator fatigue, and enabling a different approach to fieldwork. In the future, an autonomous tractor will make it possible to completely automate grain handling during the harvest. The autonomous tractor and planter can run directly behind a combine, facilitating operator multitasking. A portable interface enables operators to keep an eye on all key parameters and modify them if required, wherever they are. Farmers prize operating flexibility, so with a cabbed autonomous tractor in the farm's fleet, farmers effectively have two machines in one. It can be used to complete tasks which are not yet suitable for automation. And then, when the operator's finished his task, it becomes an autonomous tractor. With CNH Industrial's latest autonomous technology concept, the tractor is able to make its own way to the field, along mapped private on-farm paths, before it starts to work remotely on its own. We know that modern technology has improved the lives of farmers and farm workers, but at key times of the year, agriculture still demands long hours to bring in the harvest or to get the next crop planted. Autonomous tractors make the most of sometimes short weather windows and can extend the working day to a full 24 hours. A fully interactive interface has been developed to control the autonomous tractors with the immediate and secure recording and transfer of farm data. Farmers are able to use software which automatically plots the most efficient in-field paths, use combinations of implement widths, raise or lower the implements, modify implement parameters, and receive real-time views from the tractor's onboard cameras. In less than a minute, the farmer can select a field, a vehicle, and send it on a pre-prepared route. The farmer can continuously monitor the tractor's progress and change parameters as required, but thanks to the flexibility of the technology, they can also use the mobile handheld tablet interface, freeing them up to manage other tasks on site. Weather, of course, has a huge impact on planning and decision-making. Upon receiving a weather alert, farmers can decide remotely where to send machines to complete a task in the best conditions before the next weather event. In the future, autonomous technology will react to weather data and stop automatically when conditions deteriorate, and then start again when they improve. Autonomous tractors can also work in tandem with traditional machines, whose drivers can supervise their activities. Fully autonomous working is also a reality with 2, 3, or even more machines running simultaneously in the same field. It is conceivable that in the future, these autonomous technologies will be extended to encompass a farmer's entire machinery fleet, including combine harvesters, grain transport, and support vehicles. Autonomous technology also provides advanced obstacle detection. The tractor is able to detect obstacles through a combination of infrared, radar, and LiDAR, which uses range-finding lasers. When the tractor encounters an obstacle, the farmer is alerted through the tablet interface. He can then tell the tractor to avoid the obstacle by remotely approving an automatically generated alternative path around it. Alternatively, he can instruct the tractor to drive straight over an obstacle. The tractor's intelligent obstacle detection system can also tell when an obstacle crosses its path and will bring itself to a stop. Once the obstacle is cleared, it'll continue on its route. Manual path plotting is also possible when refueling or when custom paths are required. CNH Industrial enjoys a historic working relationship with its technology provider, Autonomous Solutions. ASI has global experience in autonomous technology across the agricultural, automotive, and mining industries. Together, we are leading the way in bringing this technology into agriculture. Of course, this isn't the first time that CNH Industrial's agricultural equipment brands have led the way. For more than 170 years, we've been at the forefront of developing advances in agricultural machinery. And we're the first manufacturer to factory-fit precision farming technologies. Since then, we've continued to invest in these technologies, helping farmers to monitor yields, automatically alter fertilizer rates based on prescription maps, and develop precision in-field guidance paths. And now, once again, CNH Industrial is leading the field in the development of cutting-edge farming technology concepts. Our concept of autonomous tractors will do far more than simply go out and work. In the future, they'll offer farmers total control of the vital data that will allow them to make the informed decisions necessary to boost productivity and overall efficiency. Better still, this is not an all-or-nothing approach. Our autonomous tractors could be seamlessly added and integrated into existing fleets. The autonomous tractor concept from CNH Industrial provides a tantalizing glimpse into the future, when the interface with big data will provide connected farmers with not just the machinery needed to work the land, but also the help they need to make their most critical business decisions. The autonomous tractor concept from CNH Industrial.